Good morning. We're at the Deep Creek Bryson City waterfall trail. If I don't look pleased, it's because I'm not awake yet.
There she is right there. Nice little beautiful thing of running water.
Here at our first major fall, Junie Wank. Yes, that's the actual name of it. I don't make the names, so go ahead and have a laugh. Oh, there she is, Janie Falls, or Janie Wank Falls, behind me. Jason's taking a shot. So we just came down an extremely steep decline, hopefully to our next set of falls or rapids. Looks like rapids, actually. Alright, we're at a set of rapids here on the Deep Creek Trail. Got a nice open pathway in front of us to our next two falls. Made a quick little turn. We're coming away from the main creek off a branch that I think will, I think it's Indian Branch Falls, something like that. Oh, here it is. I can just see it, and it looks very, very pretty. I'll turn you around. Look at that.
Nice little bridge here I'm photographing on the Deep Creek Trail. Really pretty little spot. Just get a look at how pretty this pathway is while we're walking. Walking high above Deep Creek here between Indian Creek Falls and Tom's Branch Falls. The tubing run is supposed to start a couple hundred yards upstream, right where I photographed last. There does not seem to be that much water in the creek right now to support a tubing run on this section of river, so we'll have to see. So we have our swimsuits on. We've got tubes on the back of the raft 4. That means we are done hiking at Deep Creek. So that's going to end that portion of things. But we are going to tube Deep Creek. We'll see how tubing on Deep Creek grows. Here we go! way. There's bad camera work for this